Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the ultimate guide to low-carb diets for diabetics. If you or a loved one are living with diabetes, you know how crucial blood sugar control is. Stick around as we explore the powerful benefits of a low-carb lifestyle and share some practical tips to help you on your journey. Segment 1. Understanding low-carb diets. So, what exactly is a low-carb diet? Well, it's a way of eating that focuses on reducing your intake of carbohydrates, which can cause blood sugar spikes. By doing this, you can help manage your blood sugar levels more effectively. Segment 2. Benefits for diabetics. Now let's talk about the benefits for diabetics. A low-carb diet can lead to improved insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to process glucose. This can result in more stable blood sugar levels and reduced dependence on medication. Segment 3. Blood sugar control tips. Here are some valuable blood sugar control tips for those embracing a low-carb diet. 1. Choose complex carbs. Opt for whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, which are slower to digest and have a gentler impact on blood sugar. 2. Load up on fiber. Foods rich in fiber like vegetables and legumes can help slow down the absorption of sugar and promote satiety. 3. Prioritize lean proteins. Incorporate lean meats, poultry, fish, and plant-based proteins into your meals to stabilize blood sugar. 4. Healthy fats are your friends. Include sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to support overall well-being. 5. Mindful meal planning. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time to avoid reaching for high-carb options in a pinch. Segment 4. Delicious low-carb recipes. Let's not forget about flavor. We've got some delicious low-carb recipes on our channel, so make sure to check those out for meal inspiration that's both healthy and satisfying. In conclusion, a low-carb diet can be a game-changer for diabetics seeking better blood sugar control. Remember, it's always important to consult your healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. Thanks for joining us today on this ultimate guide to low-carb diets for diabetics. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Until next time, stay healthy and take care.